In this video, we'll take a look at how WhipAround ensures that you know exactly what services are upcoming on your assets, giving you and your team visibility to plan ahead, reduce downtime, and keep your maintenance operations running smoothly. On the dashboard, you can quickly review what assets are being pulled into the shop that week and what services are scheduled. You can easily toggle through your maintenance calendar, ensuring you can seamlessly manage the uptime of your fleet. You'll find the service program section under the maintenance module. Just like everything in WhipAround, adding service programs and creating PM schedules is very simple. Here, you can create virtually any service program you would like, set intervals by mileage, engine hours, or time, assign it to your assets, and set your reminders for specific mechanics and thresholds. You can navigate to the service schedule section to see all of your upcoming and due completed services. Just like defects and work orders, you can search and sort your services here. You can also create a work order directly from an upcoming service or due service task. When creating a work order from another defect or from scratch, the system will automatically recommend adding any service tasks that are upcoming for that specific asset. If you're going to take an asset off the road, might as well make the most of it, right? In the next video, we'll look at how easy it is to manage inventory and purchase orders within the platform. If you're ready to take full control of your fleet operations with real-time information, go to whiparound.com, where you can schedule a time to speak with one of our representatives or try it for free.